Here we have the fox trail. Recently made. I just saw the fox. So now, let's track him down. Yep, just as I suspected. I saw him again. Right over there, just as I thought. Think about tracks. Nice. Tracks headed this way. Tracks. Got prints. Looks awfully like stuff I'm looking for. Here we can see the fox with his tracks going along. Coming here. See the bigger ones are the fox. Pairs of two galloping underneath those bushes, and some are there. Huh. A sly fox. Where's his tracks go? There he is. Around, I don't see any sign. He's very, very visible, especially from a distance. So if I see a big figure, it's either a dog, coyote, or a fox. This is me, and this is the same track that I made. Looks like he just walked alongside me. What? This is weird, because I was not tracking at the side. Oh. Pretty sure he's on the other side now. My guess is right now he's going to the lake, which is around there. 1, 2, 3. And then he'll have a sip, and then, like, I don't know. What is he gonna do? Is he... I don't know what he's doing right now. Is he, like... What is he doing? Oh, that's clear. And I don't know what this is. Maybe you guys know what that is? That looks really weird. I don't know what this is. Baby rabbit? Something like that? I don't know. 2, 3. Look at that guy. And then he goes over this body of water. What a guy. Look how light he is. You go walk over this body of water, so he's... Oh, this is a problem. This is a big problem, in fact. I don't know where he went. I'll go to the other side and look, but I don't have any clue. He could have just went all the way, so I'm just gonna check the edges, and maybe I'll find him. So here I use my mini bridge to get to this log, which I can observe these tracks. He came through there, walked on this, went into here. He went that way. I'm looking at the edges. There, boom, right over there, bingo. He crawls into those bushes. Okay, good. It's time to follow him. Here we have his tracks again. I just realized he's going to the fields. Uh-oh. If he goes into the fields, then I'm certainly going to lose him, because through those thick bushes, there's no way I'll be able to see his tracks. Where is he? So now I'm at this nice area where I can see everything. Everywhere he goes. I don't see him. I'm just following his tracks for now. Tracks. Leading up here. I'm pretty sure this is him. Here is his resting area. This is a good place to know of. Birds. Chocodies. Hello, chickadee. Hello, I don't have any food for you today. Sorry about that. Yeah, they come to me because I usually feed them flax seeds. Here he is. He's going the other way, I think. That is huge. Look at that. Yeah, that looks like it might be it. He's this track. Here. Oh no, I can't tell. Need a closer inspection. So after ending the trail there, I walked up, I went around, I was looking, I was coming back, I was thinking of giving up, and look what I found. Fox trails clear when on the log. Boom, how fresh are these? These are pretty fresh, but now we have something to follow. Ooh, pretty amazing. So here I have two trails. This one, it's got some snowflakes on it, so it looks kind of old. Leads up to here. Leads it coming into here. Going back here, and then there's another one going the exact opposite direction. Oh my goodness. Here. This one looks kind of a bit more fresh. So this is the one I'm going to follow. So there we go, that's going to wrap it up for this tracking episode. I sadly wasn't able to capture the fox on my camera, but I did catch a few glimpses and follow them around. I pretty much got lost in the end. I was just following some tracks, and then ended up those tracks were the same tracks that I followed from a long time ago. So it's very confusing. He probably lives somewhere here, though. I also found this very interesting kind of hole. Probably a squirrel lives here. I don't know. It's a hollowed out log. It's pretty cool. So there we go. If you guys have any suggestions on tracking or anything like that, after all, I am a beginner. Feel free to let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.